How to turn off Wayfair notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off Wayfair notifications. So if you're in this situation, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you can know what to do. The first step is to sign in into your Wayfair account. And so to turn off your notifications, you cannot do it directly on the site, but you can do it on your web browser. So move to the top right corner of your web browser's page and click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. Then in the options displayed, scroll down and select settings. Once you're brought to the settings page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see other options. You must note that this procedure might differ depending on the kind of browser you're using. But for Chrome users, this is the same thing. So click on privacy and security. And on the securities page, you can see privacy and security. So scroll down and click on site settings. On the site settings page, you can see so far there are sites that have been blocked from sending notifications. So in order to block Wayfair, all you need to do is to click on view permissions and data stored across sites. And then you can now go ahead to select Wayfair, as you can see. And then by selecting Wayfair, you can see the different things done on Wayfair. You can decide to delete the data if you want to, or you could just leave it. Now, since you can see Wayfair here, the next thing you have to do is to go back and then you can see the option notifications. So select it, and then the next thing to do is to scroll down on this page. Now on this page you can see the write up not allowed to send notifications. So since you are trying to turn off notifications for Wayfair, just go ahead, move to the right side and click on add. And then click on site and then type out wayfair.com. Then click on the add option. And then as you can see, move to the right side of or after adding the site, that is after adding wayfair.com, you would see it under allowed to send notifications automatically. Once you can see it that way, move to the right side and click on the three horizontal dots, which stands for more actions, and then click on block. And it will be amongst those that are not allowed to send notifications. So as you can see, automatically the notifications for Wayfair will be turned off. You can do this for all of the browser that you use to log in into the account as well. So this is how to go about it. This is how you can turn off your notifications on Wayfair. Thank you and have a good day.